Hello pretty ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You are most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If it's your first time coming across my channel, please guys don't make today your last. Kindly do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out whenever a new video is published here in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So my lady, this channel is your go-to destination for latest and most stylish nail designs and hairstyles. If you want to stay updated on latest nail trend, then this channel got you covered. So kindly do well to join us today, and trust me, you'll be glad you joined. Thank you so much my ladies. As you can see guys, today's video is not an exception, as we have carefully selected the most stylish and trending acrylic nail designs for my ladies. Gorgeous medium-sized nail designs for elegant ladies. You guys, this nails is so beautiful. Like, we have a lot of stunning designs that you definitely love. Okay, remember we have it in different colors, different nail shapes, and beautiful nail art on each of the nails. So please ensure to watch from beginning to the end. Do not miss any slide. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So as you watch guys, kindly support us by liking this video, share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this amazing video. Thank you so much as you watch our videos. To you my returning viewers, you guys have been so amazing. Thanks for the massive engagement, thanks for the likes, thanks for your support to this channel. Trust me, we are not taking it for granted. We really appreciate you guys. Keep supporting us and see you guys in our next video. Bye. you.